2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 5. Having the appearance of godliness but denying its power, avoid such people. After the many descriptions about the false teachers in the last days, Paul now says that they are able to disguise themselves as godly. It is unbelievable how people with such an evil profile could disguise themselves as having an appearance of godliness among the Christian community. Even more disturbing is the fact that others within the Christian community are fooled by their outward appearance and fail to see their reality. J.C. Ryle says, and I quote, "Look in another direction at those hundreds of people whose religion seems to consist in talk and high profession. They know the theory of the gospel intellectually and profess to delight in evangelical doctrine. They can say much about the soundness of their own views and the darkness of all who disagree with them, but they never get any further. When you examine their inner lives, you find that they know nothing of practical godliness. They are neither truthful, nor charitable, nor humble, nor honest, nor kind-tempered, nor gentle, nor unselfish, nor honorable. What shall we say of these people? They are Christians, no doubt, in name, and yet there is neither substance nor fruit in their Christianity. There is but one thing to be said: they are formal Christians. Their religion is an empty form." It is easy to acquire superficial appearance of godliness, yet be denying its power by the qualities of lives lived. So Paul says to Timothy to avoid such people whose lives contradict the gospel. And on the other hand, from the previous passage, Paul had commanded Timothy to correct his opponents with gentleness. It is surely a challenge to avoid and correct at the same time. What we are dealing with here in chapter 3 is possibly referring to a different level of false teaching, more dangerous than that described in chapter 2, and so requires a different response. We don't have a direct reference to what they are teaching falsely in this passage, but their character is explicitly mentioned. And that description about them is clearly dangerous to those who are influenced. Have a blessed weekend.